Well, Project Nirman would not have seen the light of day had it not been for the All India Women's Conference Santa Cruz East, like he said, and the Akhil Hind Mahila Parishad, given us their premises for conducting this OPD every Wednesday. We show our gratitude as we call upon the AIWC Women's Power Team, and we would like to express our appreciation. Mrs. Kamini Mehta, President, please come up on stage, please. Mrs. Nivedita Sheth, Project in Charge. Mrs. Saroj Mehta, Trustee. She's been extremely helpful for us. She's the go-to person in this case. Mrs. Nalini Shah, Past President. Mrs. Charu Thanawala, Treasurer. Yeah, please come up. And can we please have Felicity? Please come up. Mrs. Devyani Vora, please come up. Please come up. And Dr. Amaida Fernandez, can we have you up on stage to, give them a token of appreciation? A big round of applause for step a little there towards the backdrop, if you can. Nina Foundation. A little more compact. Thank you so much. Would you like to say something?
हमारे लिए ये तो बहुत सौभाग्य की बात है कि हमारे यहाँ सेंटर चालू हुआ है और अभी जैसे पेरिनज ने बोला था कि नीना फाउंडेशन के साथ हमारी शादी हुई है तो ये शादी जरूर टिकेगी और आप सबके आशीर्वाद से
डॉक्टर्स टीम एंड सब मेंबर नीना फाउंडेशन के हम तो आपके परिवार के मेंबर ही है तो हमारे लिए ये सब करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है उल्टा आपने हमारे मंडल को मंदिर बना दिया और हमारे मंदिर में इतने अच्छे वाइब्रेशन जो आ रहे हैं कि हमारे लिए तो ये बहुत खुशी की बात है
थैंक यू मैम थैंक यू with such wonderful people to support us, I'm sure there's a long way that we can go walking. And I hope there are more and more such friends of ours who are going to help us in small little deeds. Yeah? There is a very big... वहां पास कुछ गड़बड़ है लग रहा है ना? दया देखो कुछ गड़बड़ है लग रहा है मेरे को. आगे पीछे आप लोग भी देखो जरा कुछ गड़बड़ है लग रहा है. मुझे शायद कुछ कहने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, लेकिन आपको बता दूं मैं फिर भी कि हमारे बीच एक ऐसे इंसान हैं जो इंडिया में सुपरमैन, स्पाइडरमैन, बैटमैन, मुकेश खन्ना मैन और जितने भी मैन हैं उनसे ज्यादा फेमस हैं. बच्चे इन्हें देखते ही लाइन में खड़े हो जाते हैं इनका ऑटोग्राफ मांगने के लिए. इनका सबसे फेवरेट लाइन आप बताइए, वो जो अपनी तरफ से जब वो बोलेंगे तो मजा आएगा. सर कुछ बोलेंगे आप? आपकी फेवरेट लाइन सब सुनना चाहते हैं.
फेवरेट लाइन तो आज यहाँ पे दरवाजा तोड़ने के लिए तो कोई नहीं है. अगर होता दया साथ में तो शायद वही वाला तोड़ देते, क्योंकि बाहर बहुत सारे लोग हैं हमारे. लेकिन और एक जो लाइन है जो आप लोग शायद अच्छी लगती है आपको, कुछ ना कुछ तो गड़बड़ जरूर है. लेकिन आज यहाँ पर तो मुझे कोई गड़बड़ नहीं लग रही है, बल्कि बड़ा खुशी भरे हुए चेहरे दिख रहे, तो बड़ा अच्छा लगा मुझे. I'm really very happy to be here.
So we are very happy to have you here, and it's an honor, truly, to be here, to see you. क्योंकि कुछ छोटी-छोटी चीजें हैं, बहुत उठ के आए, बहुत मेहनत से उठ के आए हैं सर यहाँ पे. He graduated in chemistry and business administration. हाँ, ये मैंने गलत तो कह रहा हूँ तो मुझे डांट दीजिएगा सर, डर लगता है कभी-कभी. इन्होंने एक बैंक में शुरुआत की और फिर इंटर बैंक स्टेज कंपटीशन से लेकर इन्होंने छलांग मारी मराठी थिएटर में, और उसके बाद टीवी सीरीज रिश्ते नाते डेब्यू था इनका, और उसके बाद हिंदी फिल्में वास्तव, कुरुक्षेत्र, गुलाम मुस्तफा, यशवंत, बहुत सारी फिल्में. इन्हें आज कौन नहीं जानता है ना, कि रुया कट्टे पे भी आप अगर जाके किसी को पूछे ना तो वहां भी कुछ ना कुछ तो गड़बड़ होता ही है. वहां रुया कट्टे के जितने हैं उनमें से आधे से ऊपर इनके शागिर्द बन चुके हैं. और शाहराजा सर आप नहीं अग्री करते उससे, उनके कुछ दोस्त हैं जो वहां पे वहीं से उठ के आए हुए हैं. और 100 CID, ये सबसे ACP प्रद्युमन के नाम से ज्यादा माने जाते हैं. और अ बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर श्री शिवाजी साठम जी. ये हमारे बीच, he's been a great friend. He's not just a guest. I think we would like to invite you in as a friend more than anything else, sir. And we would like to call you up on stage, sir, if you can come up on stage. And yeah, sir. कुछ कहिए.
Hari, what do I say now? I'm really very, very happy. From the bottom of my heart to tell you, and thank you, Dhaval. I must take this opportunity to thank you because I missed out last year, I think, and year before last also. But today my producers were very generous and very happy that I'm going to come and meet you all and interact with you. So actually they let me off at 4 o'clock. It's taken me 1.5 hours to reach here, but still, it's been a great, I mean, the evening is becoming great every moment. I really am happy to see. There were so many beautiful, happy faces outside, and right from here, right from the end of the stage to all these people here, right in front of me, feels nice. And it may sound cliche, but you all guys do inspire not only me, but so many others a lot. And it gives me something to tell them, also tell others something about your ability to conquer even this little difficulty, little maybe for me, I'm not using the proper word, but what do I say? I mean, you all are a kind of heroes for me, all of you, and all those who are not here, yeah, very honestly, because you inspire me also, and I take this opportunity to tell you that I do tell people, even my kids at home, they are grown up, no doubt, how if one has the will, one can conquer anything, and you symbolize that spirit. I'll only say this, that I'm really very happy, I feel honored also, and I thank you also from the bottom of my heart that you make my life more worthier. And yeah, I think that's all. It's really been nice. And yeah.
Any other special requests from him? कुछ और कहलवाना है, कहलवा लीजिए जल्दी से.
बताओ, जल्दी बताओ. एक सीन ये लो.
आप में से
भैया मैं राइटर तो नहीं हूँ कहीं. अरे ये डॉक्टर साळुंखे के लगते हैं. ये वैसे मेरे बहुत अजीज दोस्त हैं विनायक इंदुलकर, लेकिन यहाँ दिखते तो हैं. करेक्ट है यार, साळुंखे तो हर बार कुछ ना कुछ तो गड़बड़ करती ही रहती. ऐसे आज इन्होंने थोड़ी सी गड़बड़ कर दी तो बड़ा अच्छा लगा. So were you my teacher by any time, sir?
He is.
Yeah.
Professor Shauraja.
Yeah.
Professor Shauraja.
Let me touch your feet.
The other hand is in there. Yeah. Dr. Shauraja has been the principal of Ruya College. He's been
I know
principal
him
of
very
Podar
well,
College.
also, and I
He's
tell you-
also been my professor, by the way. And he's now with Wellinger, and he's one of the most amazing professors. I mean, he talked about a zebra economy years back, and I still remember that when I think of the black and white economy that India exists in. Professor, please come up, sir. He's been an inspiration for a lot of us.
He is and he has been a sweetheart for all the students who've been influenced by him.
Sir. 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 Sir, please say a few words. Come up.
Well, thank you for recognizing me as your teacher.
I can do that now.
This is my 48th year as a teacher. And I still enjoy teaching. And I hope that I can continue for a still long period of time. And I would like to inspire many of you also to become teachers.
Wow.
Thanks a lot. Thank you very much.
Very honestly, I'll tell you this right now in front of all this. Yesterday I was being interviewed by a television channel and said, what would you have loved to be if not an actor? I said a teacher.
All the best.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you, God bless you.
Thank you so much. And sir, thank you so much. He's been my professor too, and believe me, Professor Shauraja is an inspiration wherever he goes. As in, there are people who really love him, and the way he teaches, it's quite something. I'm sure when he used to teach, very few people, students would be out on the katta. Yeah. Yeah, and I think that's what he was objecting to saying कि आपकी जो गैंग थी वो धीरे धीरे कट्टे से आपके तरफ आ रही थी वो नहीं होना चाहिए था करके. And if we can have Miss Madhu Singh up on stage, member of Nina Foundation, to felicitate our guest of honor, please. A big round of applause. So very soon we are going to be seeing him in a new role as a teacher also, probably. Yeah? I'm sure Dr. Ketna would give you that opportunity kisi din. है ना? हाँ? We should. Thanks. Yeah, Masana.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. And God bless you all.